oh, eto na. Iikot na ako finally ng BRC.
Ano ginagawa ko? Paano ba to? Tapos minsan literally iikot tayo.
Wag naman sana.
Oops, minsan. Minsan lang.
We're in a very special place that's almost 30 years old, binuo to no October 1996, located in Barrio Maligaya in Rosario, Batangas. We're in a racetrack. We're in Batangas Racing Circuit, the home of Philippine Motorsports. And speaking of the home of Philippine Motorsports, etong dalawang kasama ko, parang dito nakatira. We have Andre, driving coach, kung kanino namin pinapasa yung mga guests namin na gustong mas advanced lessons. And we have DJ, master racing engineer, na siya ang responsible kung bakit sobrang fun i-drive ng Miata namin. So, naalala niyo yung first lap niyo dito sa BRC?
First time BRC, yeah. Nahalala ko palabas ng pit lane. Merong feeling na, oh, eto na. Iikot na ako finally ng BRC. Then papunta ka dito sa turn 1. Reality is still setting in na, okay, eto na, magdadrive na tayo. And then pagligo ko dito, ayan na. Makikita mo na talagang, wow. Ang laki pala ng racetrack na to. Yun yung, literal, yun yung una kong na-realize. It really opens up as you exit turn 1 and the view is just sobrang ganda.
It's a view na hindi mo nakikita sa paddock as the audience.
Oo,
no?
yun mismo.
Para exclusive siya for the drivers. Yeah. So, ganda pa ng view. May buntok
Yeah,
na
exactly.
ganun, no?
As a driver, hindi mo siya makakalimutan.
Oo, hindi talaga. Never.
Yeah.
Tsaka yung pag first time mo, first lap, out lap pa lang, parang, ano ginagawa ko? Paano ba to?
May
Hindi
ganun
pa
din.
sure, kinakapa mo pa.
Tapos kailangan mo tandaan, okay, I know how to drive.
Yes.
Actually, even though we've driven this for a long time, hindi pa nawawala yung feeling na yun na, okay, iikot tayo. We have to do this, so let's go. Yun.
Tapos minsan literally iikot tayo.
Wag naman sana.
Oops, minsan. Minsan lang.
Oh, so speaking of ikot, sana naman di mangyari. Ano ba nangyayari sa kotse natin pag going through a turn like this? Like a textbook hairpin na ganito.
So as you're coming into turn 1, syempre the first thing that you're gonna do, pepreno ka, di ba? And when we brake, weight tends to transfer to the front of the car. So that makes the front of the car heavier, but also the rear of the car lighter. Kung bagay kotse natin, gaganto ng onte. And then you start to turn. So all that weight, biglang lilipat sa isang side ng ating sasakyan. And ano ba nangyayari? Anong nafe-feel ng isang driver pag gumaganon yung sasakyan natin?
Minsan nafe-feel mo, pag preno mo, mapapayuko ka. Kasi magugulat ka. Pag apak mo ng preno, uy, ang lakas pala ng preno ko.
Totoo.
Tapos, pag turn in mo, kasi nakaapak ka pa, pag bitaw mo doon, may kapit eh. So when you turn in, medyo sudden yung movement. So
Parang
kung first
babato
time
siya.
mong,
Oo.
parang
Yeah.
babato, parang ibabato ka nung kotse.
Kaya na-enjoy ko din yung turn 1 kahit sabihin natin it's just one right turn. Kasi ang tagal mong main straight na mabilis ka lang, diretso ka lang ganun.
Yeah.
And then it's just a big change of feeling lang really na biglang
yes.
boom.
Oo.
Tapos kakabig ka pang ganyan. Tapos kung hindi ka nakabakit seat, nakadikit na yung mukha mo sa salamin.
Tapos yung
Totoo.
paa mo nakasabit sa pinto.
Tama.
Para lang magawa mo yung liko. And then, again, it's rewarding. After you do it properly, maganda yung view, maganda yung exit mo, lalapitan mo yung exit ganyan, tapos parang, shocks, I'm a race car driver.
Iba yung feeling pagka yung, siyempre ito yung unang corner. So, pag na-nail mo yung turn 1, parang tuwan-tuwa ka na. Okay, tapos na yung turn 1.
Tsaka na-set up mo yung rest of the lap.
Yes, oo. Pero pagkakita mo ng BRC, oh, ang dami pa palang susunod na corner. So,
Papagod pa pala ako. So grabe no, turn 1 pa lang, ang dami natin pinag-uusapan agad. And there's still the rest of the track to talk about. So next week, we're going to R-Bend for the next episode.
Kaya masaya mag-BRC kasi may mga corners like R-Bend.
Kala mo malaking right lang siya, na simple lang, di ba? Nasa liko na ako. Where do I go?
Yeah.
Lalapit ka dito.
Yeah, all the way here to the outside.
Lo?
Wait lang. Swerte natin. Pag tinignan mo yung background, kita mo yung bundok, tapos walang clouds.
Oo nga, no?
Sobrang
Wow.
bihira mangyari.
actually,
Oo, actually.